Ma'am,
fats,
fats.
etc. Okay. And in vitamins as well, we have many types of vitamins, like for example, A, B, C, D, and then K, right? B1, B2, in this B1, B2. Okay, understood? So,
Yes, ma'am.
when these nutrients are in a food, for example, this is a food, and in this, all types of nutrients are there. So, we can say this food is a balanced diet. Okay, so this is balanced diet. Okay, in this chapter, we will going to learn many things. For example, what are vitamins, and due to the deficiency of these vitamins, which disease happens? Like for example,
Ma'am,
because of A. Yes,
you are not visible.
I'm not visible. Uh,
Yes,
because
ma'am.
I'm sharing the screen, that's why I'm not visible.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, if I stop my sharing my screen, so I would be visible to you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So, for example, in this, we will be discussing about balance diet. Okay. And balance diet, in this, there are many nutrients. Okay. And in nutrients, we will be discussing vitamins. Vitamins, what are vitamins? Vitamins are those substances which give us energy. Okay.
Okay,
And
ma'am.
due to the deficiency of vitamins, we in our body occur many diseases. For example, due to the deficiency of vitamin A, we have night blindness. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
okay. Due to the deficiency of vitamin A in our body, night blindness occurs. This is the disease. Okay. So
Okay.
what does it mean? What does it say? To have proper nutrients in a food, it is mandatory, because if there are not nutrients in our balanced diet, then what will going to happen? We will be having many diseases in our body. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so these are the main things we generally look in our chapter of balance diet. Okay, so
Okay.
do you want me to explore more, or just a quick this thing introduction would be fine?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hmm?
Ma'am, repeat once again.
Okay, so I am asking, do you want do you want to explore more on this, or do you want to do something else? Because in this, it's just this much. Because in this, we will going to look at more things in this. Okay. You are able to understand me or not? Or you want me to continue with Hindi?
Ma'am, SST.
SST.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, in this science, this is a chapter. Okay, balance diet. Okay. I have already told you that what are the things we will going to cover in this chapter.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Next,
Yes.
in SST, there are what type of things you have done in your third class? Like which chapters you have done?
In SST.
Yes, in third class.
Ma'am, our universe
Okay.
and ma'am,
And
freedom fighters.
freedom fighters. Okay. These were in SST.
Yes, ma'am.
So they have not told you about the
No, ma'am.
Indian geography. They have not told
Ma'am, our earth.
our Earth. Okay. And in fourth class, what chapters do you have?
Ma'am, heritage.
Heritage and other
Heritage. Ma'am, only one. Ireland.
all. Heritage is the only chapter you have in SST.
No, ma'am. Ireland
Okay, you
in
land.
class.
Okay, you land in class in fourth class.
Yes, ma'am.
Heritage of India.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what? Let me see. Heritage of India. Okay. So in that you have done many things. For example, you have done natural heritage as well, and after that, man-made heritage. Have you done that
Yes, ma'am.
in this heritage chapter? आपने natural heritage किया होगा और man-made heritage किया होगा, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So in natural heritage, we know that in India we have natural heritage. That is,
Ma'am, ma'am, mountains.
yes,
Ma'am, ma'am,
forests, flora and fauna.
ma'am, birds.
This includes flora and fauna is plants and animals. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Then we have deserts, right? Then valleys,
Mm,
and then natural resources, for example, minerals we
yes.
have, right? So these are a natural heritage of India. So we can
Okay.
say that heritage of India can be classified into two parts, that is natural heritage and man-made heritage. Okay.
Yes. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. In man-made heritage, you have many things. For example, monuments you have. Then you
Yes,
have
ma'am.
buildings. Buildings or
Ma'am, one
monuments
more
are
chapter.
one more chapter.
Ma'am, study of past.
Study of past. Okay. This is of history. This is of history. Okay. This chapter is of history. We are doing for